I'm John Valentino here with Chip. In this garden we're renovating, and I'm going to show you the secrets to growing beautiful azaleas and having them not look leggy, which is pruning. Okay, so I've got a story that goes with this. One time I was walking around with a customer in their garden and they had maybe 15 azaleas. I wasn't looking where I was going and I tripped on one of them that was right in the corner of the walk and I broke it. It was only probably a year old, so it wasn't hard to break. Not sure why, but we just left the broken azalea there. I think the intention was to at some point fix it. And I go back 6 months later and it's the best looking azalea of all of them because it sprouted right under where I kicked it and broke it and came out very densely and lushly. And that is a big key to your great relief. It takes no skill to prune them. You could kick them if you want, probably not a recommended azalea pruning technique. You can use pruning shears also. You can see this has been here for quite a while and it's not exactly the most attractive azalea, but you can kind of see what I'm talking about right here. Look, this looks like it got broken sometime back, and then right under the break it has all these sprouts. That's kind of what you need to do on an ongoing basis. You just cut these branches back down to about where you think you might want them, and they'll sprout under those cuts. If you want them to be taller, then your heading back cuts will be, up near the tops of the branches, and it'll sprout under those. Prune it every year after it blooms, and feed it every year after it blooms. Feed it with our blend and our penetrate liquid biotiller if you really want to bring it back fast. And that's how to keep azaleas lush, blooming like crazy, and not leggy looking, not old and sick looking.